Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As in the last video we had finished the word problem of subtraction. Today we are going to start exercise number 7. In that we are going to study about multiplication. As you all had studied multiplication in your previous classes also. So again we are going to do it. लेकिन वहाँ पे अगर शायद आपने 1 या 2 digit तक किया होगा. So here we are going to do with 3 and 4 digits. The method is same. So let us start. The first question is given, that is 1345 into 875. So we'll start doing multiplication. Into 875. So as I had written little bit far each and every digit, so it will be easy. Carry भी रखने के टाइम पे it can be easy for you. So let us start. हम normally कहाँ से start करते हैं? We normally start from the units place. कोई ऐसे भी करते हैं, they starts from the first digit. कैसे भी करो, 8 से स्टार्ट करो या 5 से स्टार्ट करो, the answer will not change. The answer will be one and the same. So we'll start from 5, the ones digit. So 5 5s is 25. So 2 is carry. I will write it over here. Okay, 2 was carry. अगर आप ऊपर लिखना चाहो, you can write down. It's your, आपको जैसे comfortable feel हो, you can write the carry over there. So 5 5s is 25. So 5 here, 2 was carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22. So 2 here again, 2 was carry. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17. So 1 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. So this is what we had completed. Now ones digit का हो गया. Now we'll start with tens digit. So it start, as we are starting with tens digit. 10 में कितने जीरो होते हैं? 1. So we'll put that 0 here. Okay, जब हम वंस से वंस प्लेस पे जो डिजिट है उससे जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम 0 नहीं लगाते. जो पहले 8 से स्टार्ट करता है वो पहले 2 0 लगा देते हैं. हमारे 2 0 अभी इसके बाद के स्टेप में आएगा. ओके, सो as we are starting with tens place, we have to put here 0. So 7 5s is 35. So 5 here and 3 as carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. So again 3 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 is 24. So 2 carry and 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9. So 5 से पहले हो गया. Now we are finished with 7, which was at tens place. Now we'll start with hundreds place. So that's why we have to put here 2 zeros. So we'll start again. 8 5s are 40. So 0 4. 8 4s are 32 plus 4 is 36. So 6 3 as carry. 8 3s are 24 plus 3 27. So 2 carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 2, it becomes 10. So now finally we got. मैंने पहले क्या बोला था, अगर जो पहले 8 से स्टार्ट करता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, उसको जो हमारा लास्ट स्टेप है वो यहाँ पे ऊपर आ जाएगा. मिडिल विल बी मिडिल ओनली, और ये 6725 वो लास्ट में आ जाएगा. ओके, बट द आंसर विल नॉट चेंज. द आंसर विल रिमेन वन एंड द सेम. So now let us add 5. We have to add it. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 2 it is 7. 7 plus 1 it is 8. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So 1 as carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So 1 as carry. 1 plus 0 is 1 and this 1. So this is our answer. So it's 11,76,875. So this is how you have to do multiplication लास्ट डिजिट से स्टार्ट करते हैं इसलिए 0 नहीं आएगा, 1 से जब पहले कर लो, then when you start multiplying with tens place you have to put 1 0. If you are starting multiplying by the digit at hundreds place तो 2 0 रखना है। अगर 4 डिजिट होगा तो 1000 से होगा तो हम 3 0 रखेंगे, but the method will be same. So let us move to question number 2. In that it is 53,263 into 185. See, if you want you can write this carry over here also, I don't have any problem. नहीं तो एक margin करके you can write over there also. So 53,263 into 185. So 5 3s are, it's 15. So again I will write over here as 1. 5 6 are 30 plus 1 is 31. So 1 3. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 is 13. 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. So again 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is 26. So now as we are going to multiply with the digit at tens place, so first of all we have to put the 0. कोई क्रॉस मार्क भी रखता है उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, the answer will not change, the answer will remain one and the same. So let us start with 8 now. 8 3s are is 24. So 4 2. 8 6 are 48 plus 2 is 50. So 5. 8 2s are 16 plus 5 is 21. So 2. Now 8 3s are 24 plus 2 is 26. So 2. 8 5s are 40 plus 2 is 42. Now we are going to start multiplying with the digit at hundreds place. That's why first of all we have to put there 2 zeros. Now जैसे कि 1 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है, so you can directly write 1 3s are, रिवर्स में लिखते जाओ 3 6 2 3 and 5. So finally we have to add all of these numbers. Now let us add 5 plus 0 again, 5, 4 plus 1 it comes to 5, 3 plus 3 it is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 it's 13. So 1 must carry. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2 is 14 and 1 it's 15. So 1, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7 and 7 plus 1 it comes to 8 and 5 plus 4 it is 9. So this is our answer for multiplication. Same way let us go to third one also. There it is 4 digits, 2876 into 1278. See here 3 digits are there, 4 digits are there, 5 digits are there. The method will be same. एक एक में जैसे यहाँ पे 10 से किया तो 1 0, 100 से किया तो 2 0, 1000 प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 3 0 लगाएंगे जैसे यहाँ पे लगेगा. So let us start. 2876 into 1278. So let us start doing multiplication. So 8 6 is 48. So 4 is carry. 8 7s are 56 plus 4 is 60. So 6. 8 8s are 64 plus 6 is 70. So 7. 8 2s are 16 plus 7 that comes to 23. So now we are beginning with tens place, so we'll put 1 0. Now 7 6 is 42. So 4. 7 7 is 49. plus 4 is 53. So 5, 7 8s is 56 plus 5, it comes to 61. So 6, 7 2s are 14 plus 6, it comes to 20. Okay, now as we are beginning with starting multiplying by the digit at hundreds place, so we'll put there 2 zeros, 2 6s is 12, so 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, it comes to 15, so 1, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, that comes to 17, so again 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, it comes to 5. Now as we are going to start with the digit at thousand place, so we'll put there 3 zeros. देखो हो गया ना 1 2 and 3. Now as we have to multiply it with 1 only, so we can write 6 7 8 and 2. फिर वहाँ पे करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, 1 6 ज़ा 6 ही आएगा, 1 7 ज़ा 7, 1 8 ज़ा 8 और 1 2 ज़ा 2 ही आएगा, वहाँ पे कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. So now what we have to do, we have to add it. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So 1 as carry, 2 plus 1 it's 3, 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 7 it's 17. So 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 8 it is 16. So 1 carry and 2 plus 1 it comes to 3. So the answer comes 36,75,528. तो कुछ चेंजेस कुछ भी नहीं है, यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट था, यहाँ से फिर वो 4 डिजिट हो गया और आगे के सम में भी 4 डिजिट्स ही है मोस्टली. सो यू हैव टू बी very careful. Okay, one more sum I will do. Fourth one, it is 5,267 into 9,801 into 9,801. So as 1 है तो we can write all the digits as it is. Okay, because when we will multiply it by 1, the answer will come as it is. Now we have to multiply with the digit at tens place, so we have to place 0 और यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी 0 है, तो कोई भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आंसर हमेशा 0 ही आएगा. सो यहाँ पे 4 है, सो विल पुट 4 zeros. क्यों 4 0 0 7 0 0 6 6 0 2 2 and 0 2 0 0 5 is also 0. कोई भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे the answer will come 0 only. Now as we have to start multiplication with hundreds digit at hundreds place, so we'll put there 2 zeros. Now 8 7s is 56, so 5, 8 6 are 48 plus 5 is 53. So again 5, 8 2s are 16 plus 5 is 21. So 2, 8 5s are 40 plus 2 it's 42. Now we have to start multiplication with the digit at thousand place. So what we have to do, we have to put here 3 zeros. Okay, we have to put here 3 zeros. Now 9 7s are 7 9s are or 9 7s are it's 63, so 3 6, 9 6 are is 54 plus 6 is 60, so again 6, 9 2s are 80 plus 6 is 24, so 2, 9 5s are 40 plus 2 it comes to 42. So So hereby we finish. Now we have to add it. So 7 plus 0 it comes to 7. 6 plus 0 it comes to 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 it is 11. So 1 here as carry. Now 1 plus 1 it is 2. Here the carry is being there of 4. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 plus 2 it is 6. Again 4 plus 2 is 6, and here it comes 4. 9 7 is 63, so 6 9 6 is 54, 60. So 6 9 2 are 18 plus 6 is 24, so 2, and 9 5 is 40 plus 2 it's 9 5 is 45, sorry, 9 5 is 45 plus 2 is 47. Here it will be 47. Now 7 plus 4 it will come as 11. So 1 carry, and 4 plus 1 it comes to 5. Okay, so here one mistake was being there. 9 5 is 45, and 45 plus 2 is 47. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1 carry, 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the final answer for your question number 4. So I have done 4 sums. Now remaining sums you have to do it in the homework. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 sums are being there, which you have to do it in the same manner. सब अभी बाकी के 6 sum में सब 4 digit है. So the same method you have to apply. In the next video we'll start with the word problem on multiplication. So till then, thank you and take care.